What if you could upgrade your everyday tech for half the price all at once? Think TVs that turn movie night into a real cinema, Apple gadgets that boost your work, and smart home gear that keeps an eye on things while you sleep. Get the gear you've been wanting at prices that finally make sense. No more endless scrolling, just real upgrades that fit your life. Deals run from July 8th to 11th. Bookmark this video so you don't miss out. All product links are in the description, and for more deals and real-time live hourly updates, head over to thedetailedguide.com. Number 30. KitchenAid Artisan Mixer was $449, now $349. Whip, knead, or mix your next recipe to perfection, the kitchen classic everyone loves. Number 29. Shark Hydrovac Messmaster was $299, now $255. Vacuum and mop at once, cut cleaning time in half, and ditch sticky floors. Number 28. Shark NeverChange Air Purifier was $249, now $199 cleaner air. Fewer sneezes and no monthly filter swap headache. Number 27. Bissell Little Green Max Pet was $139, now $114. Erase pet messes, muddy paw prints, and spills from couches or car seats fast. Number 26. Skechers Shoes was $110, now $54. Slip into comfort, whether you're walking the dog or running errands, now for half the price. Number 25. Weber Jumbo Joe Grill was $98, now $89. Grill 8 burgers at the park, campsite, or beach, built for travel and taste. Number 24. Traeger Ironwood 885 was $1,499, now $1,299. Control temps from your phone. Get slow-smoked ribs or brisket perfect every time, even in winter. Number 23. Ninja Woodfire Pizza Oven was $399, now $299. Hit 700 degrees Fahrenheit for crispy pizzas, smoky wings, or roast turkey, all from your patio. Number 22. Gigabyte G6 KF16 was $999, now $899 game in modern titles with NVIDIA 40 series graphics, 16 gigabytes RAM, and an Intel i7 chip smooth 60 plus FPS without the premium price. Number 21. Asus Vivobook 14 was $479, now $382. Great for school, streaming, and everyday work with a crisp 14-inch FHD screen and fast SSD for snappy load times. Number 20. Apple AirPods Pro 2 USB-C was $249, now $199. H2 chip delivers double noise cancellation. Spatial audio surrounds you on busy commutes or flights. Number 19. Beats Flex Wireless was $69, now $39. Stay comfy and tangle-free while running, lifting, or commuting with up to 12 hours of battery. Number 18. Soundcore Boom 2 Plus was $249, now $209. A mighty 140-watt speaker with bass up 2.0 tech shake the floor at your next backyard party. Number 17. EarFun UBoom L was $79, now $59. Portable, waterproof, and bass rich, perfect to soundtrack hikes, poolsides, or beach days. Number 16. Fire TV Soundbar was $119, now $84. Plug-and-play clarity with DTS Virtual X and Dolby Audio. Turn thin TV sound into room-filling audio. Number 15. Panasonic 65-inch Z95 OLED was $3199, now $1,997. Top-tier MLA OLED panel, 144 Hz, and all major HDR formats, built for film lovers and serious gamers. Number 14, Samsung The Frame Pro was $2,197, now $1,997. Art went off, brilliant Mini-LED went on. Choose from over 3,000 artworks to match your mood. Number 13, Hisense 65U8QG Mini-LED was $2,199, now $1,288, up to 165 Hz refresh and sky-high brightness. See action scenes and dark details others miss. Number 12, Samsung 50-inch QN90D Mini-LED was $1,399, now $997, packed with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, super bright Mini-LED tech, perfect for bright rooms or gaming setups. Number 11. Panasonic 65-inch Z95 OLED was $1,799, now $997. Deep OLED blacks, Dolby Vision Atmos, and a 120Hz panel. Feel every detail in movies and shows. Number 10. Amazon 65-inch Omni Mini-LED QLED was $1,089, now $899. 144Hz refresh, FreeSync, and Dolby Atmos, ideal for big family movie nights and fast-paced games. Number 9. TCL 55-inch QM7K Mini-LED was $1,199, now $748. Brighter picture, smoother gaming, up to 144Hz and HDMI 2.1, a sweet spot for movie buffs and gamers alike. Number 8. TCL 55-inch S5 4K Fire TV was $313, now $249. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos bring richer color and sound to binge nights and live sports. Number 7. Insignia 55-inch F50 4K Fire TV was $349, now $189. Big screen, built-in Fire TV for instant streaming, and HDR support. Perfect for movie nights without the big spend. Number 6. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus Indoor Cam was $139, now $69. See who's at your door, track packages, and check inside, all in one starter-friendly bundle. Number 5. Ring Indoor Cam 2nd Gen 2-pack was $99, now $59. Compact design, crisp 1080p video, motion zones, and a privacy shutter to keep your peace of mind on your terms. Number 4. Blink Outdoor 4 5-pack was $399, now $159. Cover every angle around your home with 1080p clarity and motion alerts set up in minutes. No wires needed. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4 was $99, now $44. Full HD video, 2-year battery life, and weather-resistant design. Watch over your front porch or backyard, hassle-free. Number 2. Apple MacBook Air 13 M4 256GB was $999, now $849. Run apps, edit photos, or multitask all day with the latest M4 chip and quiet fanless design. Liquid Retina display, 16GB RAM, and support for dual monitors means it's ready for work and play. Number 1. Apple 11-inch iPad Wi-Fi 128GB was $349, now $299. Stream, draw, or video call on a gorgeous 11-inch Retina screen, boosted by the snappy A16 chip and double storage versus last gen. Great for creative projects on the go. That's it for our best Prime Day offerings. Deals will run from the 8th to the 11th of July. Like, share, subscribe, and tap the bell so you catch more deals.